Look at that phone. Camera.
Look at Daddy, Nathan.
I'm recording. I know.
BJ, get away from there. If it fell on me, it's gonna fall on you. That bug fell on me yesterday. I was lifting weights and
Get off from there, BJ.
He's already coming over to us.
falling down.
I know. That guy. Look. He's walking.
Oh, yeah.